Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Fabfitfun edit sale. This fell between our last box and this box, but I did it at the end of it and it got here just in time for spoilers. So I thought, nope, we'll save it till we're done with spoilers. So this is the edit sale, one of the sales that Fabfitfun does that just, some of the items are such a good price that I just could not pick them up. So let's get into it and check it out. That is absolutely one of the beauties of becoming a Fabfitfun member is the sales that they do. Whenever I go in and check it out, especially if it's like a home item, I always go over and check it out on Amazon or wherever it is that you shop. Some of the home items are worth checking out. You can find them better prices in other places, but mostly it's a fantastic price. So I don't remember what I ordered here because it's been more than a month. So let's find out together. Ooh. Fun things. I can always tell what kind of mood I was in by what's in the box. Shall I leave the box here? First, let's talk about the fact that there's nothing on my lips. Yeah, there's nothing on my lips because I'm not sure. I'm doing this and then an Ipsy, and I'm sure there's going to be a lipstick in one of those. And I always hate when I get a lipstick and I can't just put it on immediately and show you guys. So I'm playing the odds that I have a lipstick somewhere. First out, I have the Beakman 1802 Facial Cleansing Wipes in Vanilla Absolute. This is a huge one. I will let you know the prices here as we go along so you can see what the sale price was. I used to keep these up here for wiping swatches and stuff constantly. And for some reason, I got away from it and decided the better thing would just be to keep a washcloth and just wipe. It just doesn't work as good. I was trying to be more eco-friendly, but these are just so convenient that I'm going back to having these up here. And this is a lot. This is 100 count and it was Vanilla Absolute. So I figured I would just use the ones that came in boxes, and sometimes the scents were so strong that then I couldn't tell the next thing that I would put on my hand. I couldn't tell you guys the scent because it would be left over from this. So let's see what this is. Hopefully just a light vanilla. Oh, very light. Yeah, that should be good. That shouldn't interfere with our abilities to completely guess wrong what the scent of a lotion is. That is one of my choices. Next out, you guys watched Small Town Me? She uses a clip. Granted, she uses like Dior and really nice Prada. But she has thin hair like mine and she's got it short. Well, actually she's done extensions, so it's probably as long as mine now. But normally it's like here short, and she just does it, parts it on the side like I do and puts one clip here just to keep it up. I don't know that I will do that going out because I don't know that that's exactly me. Yes, I do have a fan on, by the way. It is wicked hot up here. But these looked super cute, and I thought, okay, I could try it with these. And it's from the Hair Edit Snap Triangle Matte Clips, because matte is having a moment. I'm liking it in dishes. I'm liking it in some makeups. I'm liking it in hair accessories, apparently. It's just here. Let me show you which. Okay, perfect. I should move this box. It's that kind. Even these sometimes have a hard time staying in my hair unless the ones that I buy that I use normally have on this back side in here, they have like silicone nubs that helps stop it from sliding out of thin hair, but we will hope that these will work. Okay, I'm gonna take the last few things out so we don't have to work around this box anymore. Next out, I chose a Thrive Cosmetics Blend and Blur Sponge. It is their version of a beauty blender. So let's see. I use so many Thrive Cosmetics products that I kind of like the idea of having this blue that matched them all. Ooh, oh, I like that. On my vanity, it's got a flat side. I do like a flat side so that you can tuck in. I just feel like you get a little more control with one of the sides being flat, but I love that it is the Thrive Cosmetics color. It's a little bit smaller than a beauty blender, and I'm gonna tell you, I kind of like that. I like that it's smaller. It's a little more tender, so we'll see how it does once I make it wet. You know, the beauty blender is a little more firm than this, and I think that the weave on it is a little tighter. So I do fancy myself a beauty sponge expert. So we'll see. We'll see how this one does, but I liked that it was Thrive Cosmetics. It appealed to me. Next out, oh, I got sunglasses. I was in a mood. to see these sunglasses and you will know the kind of mood I was in on that day. I am a Fabfitfun partner, which has nothing to do with this. I paid for all this with my own money. But the reason I bring it up is I do the spoilers, I get my partner box, and I will put links down below. If after seeing this, you want to go over and check out Fabfitfun, I have discount codes. That said, one of the choices that we have this season is a little case that unfolds and you can put sunglasses in it. It holds 3 pairs of sunglasses. I picked one of those up about a month before we had spoilers. I was at Target with my grandgirls and we saw it, and it's just such a fabulous idea that I have a kind of a coat rack that sits right up against a wall, and I have it there so that as I'm going out the door, I can grab whatever glasses suit me that day, you know, brown, black, metal, plastic. I decided I would add some attitude to those, and I saw these and they look like little butterflies and the fronts are big squares, and I thought, yeah, well, if I'm gonna have something right there and the whole point is gonna be the attitude, let's do it. These are Betsy Johnson. Got the little heart on the edge. Let's just take this off. Let's see how it does. These will be fabulous, I'm sure. Oops. Well, we'll deal with that later. Oh, they fit nicely, I'll tell you that. Oh, you won't even know me. It's like I'm hiding from my paparazzi. Wow, that is a lot of sunglasses. I will tell you, they are really, this makes them very breathable, but they're a little big, and I feel like they're gonna slide down my nose because that's what glasses do. But when they are what they're supposed to be, where they're supposed to be, I kind of like them. I just thought I would put this along with some of my other glasses in that thing. I think mine that I got from Target actually holds 5 pair. The one that we can get through Fabfitfun only holds 3, and I'm sure that's very reasonable unless you get a lot of boxes like I do. And then I have a lot of errant sunglasses. But what do you think? I kind of think they're fun. I mean, I'm a bigger girl with a bigger face, so I think that the fact that they're oversized kind of holds up on my face. Okay, that's fun. So that's the mood that I was in. Next out, nail lacquers, because see my nails, they're not lacquered. And I thought for the summer, I would like some nice new colors, and I like that these read, but you know what? They take me back to these. You know, that matte kind of, there's just something about these muted colors that's just speaking to me lately, and I'm sure it's one of those things, it's a fad that will come and go. This is called the Parlor Party Trio. Ooh, that was my parlor party. They are 21 free pro contour brush. Does that mean that they have the rounded brush? I didn't even know that when I bought them, and that makes me so happy because I love the rounded brush. So we have Off the Record, and that's just kind of a light pinky beigey color. It's kind of a pinky beige. Love that. This one is called Velvet Drapes. I guess like the one Scarlett O'Hara put on because it's a nice green color. And then this one has more shine. I don't know that these two, yeah, I think these two are creams. This one has some shimmer to it, and it is Nightcap, and it's kind of a brownie beige. I like those. Okay, let's check out. Yes, this is the brush that I love. This will make or break whether I love. Can you see it kind of goes up and out and then it's rounded. I love these brushes. These are my absolute favorite brushes for nail polish. They're just, I find that for my nails, I work with them much better. Oh, excuse me, I've taken on a sneezing fit. And just for the record, no lippy in this box. I was having a hair day though. We have the Kitsch Recycled Plastic Mini Claw Clips. It didn't say what size they were. I didn't know. This is kind of cute. I mean, just for around the house, I could put a couple on. I just took a couple of the too small beige ones off. They're pretty tight here. I have my hair up because I have the fan on. Let's just grab a hunk of it. I have to grab more than the average person because my hair is so fine and thin. You know, most people could just take a little bit from up here, but that will never hold my hair. Well, that's not exactly the look that I'm going for, but you guys can tell it works. It holds my hair back. I stopped and redid it again. And I have to tell you, I don't know that I came up with a better look this time. I feel like an alien, nanu. But it's doing what I need it to do when I'm just around here cooking, cleaning, doing things, and I just don't want my hair hanging in my face. this is what they're perfect for. And I have such fine, thin hair that I have to grab a bigger clump than most people do anyway. And it came in lots of beigey colors, from the light one I have on down to the darker brown. Yes, it's a nice coffee brown. That is nice. And last but not least, I have a 9-piece storage set. I am all about the storage sets. I am moving things about in my house. I liked the look of this. See how pretty that is? I thought about maybe using it up here because of all of the things that I get, you know, all of the pens and the papers, and there's so many different sizes that I could put things in. And I just really, really liked the look of this in the picture, and I hope I can do it justice. It does not disappoint here. It's kind of a beige, but it looks like it has real texture, not just the perforations, but it's a really nice looking set. Oh my goodness, pardon my red nose. I have just taken a sneezing fit again. Okay, they are from Urban Home, multi-purpose storage bin, wheat, straw, and plastic material, 9-piece set. They say closet, bath, kitchen, pantry. I agree. I'm not sure where I'm gonna use it because I think it's nice, and I have to tell you, this is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I thought these little cups were gonna be tiny. So look at the depth on that. These are gonna be really useful. I'm not sure where. Wherever I land with them, maybe I'll take a picture and put it up on Insta. That is what I did with the edit sale. And again, I've put prices here for you guys to see if I got a good deal. But I got the nice storage bins, the 3 nail lacquers, my wicked cool sunglasses, the Thrive Beauty Sponge, my cute kitsch claws. You know what else will be perfect for us when the littles are here too? This will be a great size for the 2 younger ones. Actually, in all fairness, no. Because the almost 8-year-old probably has a nice thicker head of hair than I do already. The huge 100 count Beakman facial washers that I'm gonna keep right here. I'm gonna set right here to wipe off the swatches as we go. I'm actually getting ready to do my Ipsy box. I've already lost one. We have 3 of these. Hey, let's just, since we're putting it all out here, let's see what this looks like. Because what I was thinking is, I part my hair on the side. I know I'm supposed to part it in the middle now, but I figure I'm age exempt. You know how I can be grandfathered in things? That's kind of how I feel about this. And I thought just a cute, yeah, I probably wouldn't wear that out of the house, but around the house, I think that's super cute. And it just holds my hair back. It's so much hair. I need to get it cut. I need to get it colored, but until then, I'm taming it with tools. Thank you so much for coming by. Again, I will put all of my links for Fabfitfun down below. I am a Fabfitfun partner, so if you use my link to sign up as a seasonal member, you will get 20% off your first box. If you sign up as an annual member, you will get a big box of goodies with your membership, and you will get $60 off over the cost of the year, which is almost a free box. You'll get early access to customizations and add-ons, so early shipping, all of the fun things, and then also the sales. You can get on, and I've shown you what each of these perfect. What each of these costs. It was just a fun little edit sale. Things were speaking to me. Oh, if you are a Fabfitfun annual member and you have not fixed your customization or your cart to suit you, it closes tonight. I'm putting this up on Tuesday. It closes tonight at 11:59 p.m. Pacific. It is in your cart. If it is in your customization, you will be purchasing it. So be sure and go over and check those out if you're not done yet. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by, guys, and I will see you again really soon. If you don't already subscribe, I hope you'll consider doing so. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys.